Hello, good morning everyone. We are here now in Khobar, in Corniche, Khobar, Saudi Arabia. We are witnessing the sunrise. Now the sunrise for today is 4:46 and the time now is 4:53. So the sun is slowly rising. And you can see the seashore and the sea is very calm. It's a very good day. It's a very nice place here in Corniche, Khobar. We have some cats here also enjoying the sunrise. There's a very good park here which you can relax and enjoy what's in the nature. It's a very good place to relax and enjoy your weekend. So here it is, the sun now starting to show his rays. Looks like a moon. After a few minutes you can see the power of the sun. Right now it looks like a moon. This is the sunrise here in Corniche, Khobar, Saudi Arabia. This is the startup video, and in my next videos I will show you other parts of the area. So I will tour you here in Corniche, Khobar, Saudi Arabia. So for the time being, that's it for now, and I will take another video again when the sun is about after 1 hour after the sunrise, so we can see the power of the sun. And wishing you a good day. Friday today is June 16, 2023. I hope you enjoy this short video, and in my next videos I will be showing you some parts or other areas of this place, and I will try to make videos also about health and about nature and anything which will make you enjoy while you are watching and relaxing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day to everyone. Thank you for watching.